Okay, hello everyone. Welcome back to the Serenity SMP. So, I had a little bit of a problem with my house. Yeah, I got struck by lightning, so, you know, that happened. So, I thought that was supposed to prevent that, but apparently, yeah, it did not. Fire damage. So, that needs repaired. So today we're going to hopefully repair this, make a chicken farm. First, we're going to go to sleep. Once we wake up, the other thing we're going to do is over there, you can see the portal. There we go. That is my gold farm. So we're going to try to do a 5-minute test over there to see how much actual gold I get. So that's the plan for today. I would like to make 2 chicken farms, if possible, but we'll see how things go. So, first things first, we're going to get over here to our spot. So I'm going to make it over here. It's kind of like my farm area. Okay. So I'll kind of have it here, because obviously I'm here a lot, it's my house. And I want to have it over there, so I'm getting my experience slash gold. Chicken farm's always running. So, here's everything we should need for at least 2 farms. Some things are more. And I am going to literally be watching a tutorial on how to do this because I don't know what I'm doing. And it's from Playz. I suggest you check him out. It's very good. So, I'm gonna try to build this rather quickly. I'm probably going to be pausing it a lot because, yeah, I'm not really going to follow along too well as it goes down. So I'm literally watching it right now as I'm talking. So let's get this going. We don't want that because this is only one block, and right underneath this is all the ocean. So we don't want our shovel at. Let's go. How about this way? I think we're gonna want those hoppers next. Yeah, let's get rid of you too. Alright. So the double hopper. Or double chest. I look at that. Alright, hold on here. Alright, let's not get crazy. So we should only need half of all this stuff. Should. Yeah, half of 3. Alright. Figure that one out, huh? Same with this, half of 3 again. So I originally want to do 3 of them, but we're only going to do 2 today. The third one I want over there. I don't know if it's going to render it where my other mob farm is. The way it's over there. Well, but the mob farm, I can do that too. Alright, so anyway. Wait, I don't want an observer. I want a dispenser. Do I have them? I got some. Yeah, professional. Okay. So we want... We want that there. Get our dispenser there. So we want block, block. This is where all my trapdoors. Do I need? I think I need more than I have. Yeah, I need more trapdoors than what I got. Yep, and that's why we're doing this right next to my base. I need 4. And I literally have 3. Okay, so let's go get some more. Or make some more. See? Planning. Planning. Alright, we'll just make it out of birch, because everybody loves birch. Right? We don't need those. Trapdoors. There we go. Hopefully we don't need more. And if we do, I know where to find them. Okay. So we want this. And over here. Alright. We need to get this back. Break, break. Excellent. So we're going to need some glass. What? There it is. I knew I had it. We want that lit over the chest. And we want the slabs again. What, we want 2? No. Just a 1. Yeah, we're good. So we want a block, block, 3 block. Then right at me. 1, 2, 3. Right at me. Well, as long as it's taken, we might only do 1. And we want another dispenser. Facing down. Okay. Well, we get rid of the other block, I assume? Yep. We'll get rid of that 1. Right, hold on, hold on. Moving too fast here. Goodbye. We're going to want that. Yep, it's going in. Now what? See, now I'm all caught up. Uh-oh. We're going to be in trouble now. We're in trouble now. What are we doing here? Alright, Alright, so... Alright, we're gonna have to do it. Yep, yep. Stop it. Maybe... stop it. Stop it. Really? Okay. Now we're good. Okay. Maybe we got enough to... Yeah, we're good now. Okay. So now we want the observer. We'll be able to get this with the arrow facing down. We're gonna have to go down again, aren't we? I think we are. Alright. We got this. Oh, stop it. Now the arrow's facing down. Got it. Arrow's facing down. Okay. All this for some chickens, huh? Redstone, redstone, redstone. Oh, 3 redstones. Oh, we got 8. So we say redstone, redstone, redstone. Hopefully that arrow doesn't need to be exactly right. I'm hoping. And he's facing up, right? Alright, now we want this thing. Nope. Yep, that's it. Click it once. Ooh, now you're moving too fast. We gotta go back out here now. So why are we doing all this? So the glass block on top. Yep, just like that. More redstone apparently. There. On top. Okay. Is that it? So I'm gonna build it up. Or I need more redstone. Oh, it's getting ahead of me now. Getting ahead of me. I'm not prepared. Alright, so now we definitely need more redstone. We gotta go all the way to there. Alright. Alright, let's get more. We got more somewhere. Maybe my good chest. Ooh. Alright. Oh, we got this. We got this. Fortune. We're good. We're good. Oh yeah, we're good. We're good. Yeah, we're only making one of these. Let's probably eat something. Okay. So now we gotta get... Ugh. Almost. Yeah, got it. Okay. We're here. We got it. Alright, so I'm gonna go to the hopper spot. Oh, jeez. Where's the hopper at? Right there. I'm gonna go up 2, and we're gonna get to the glass. Yeah, we're not doing that. I'm gonna go to the other side. Same thing. What are you doing? So now the dispenser is where we're supposed to put the lava. Okay. Gotcha. So we want the chickens to go where the hopper is. So I think that should be the easy part. Actually, we want to put that back. We don't want to keep that out. So the chickens are going to fall in there. Although, can't they get out of there? That seems like a bad idea. We'll figure that out. And we'll put some of this away. I think we're done with a lot of this. Why do I have that? I don't know. Actually, we want this. I think we're going to do something with that. We're going to need the button somewhere. Alright, let's get some chickens now. I know exactly where some chickens are. Okay. Yeah, I'm thinking we're just going to build one right now. So they said to put ladders here. But I don't need no ladders because I got scaffold. The chickens are supposed to go in here. Get in there. No, see, that's what I'm talking about. We're going to do this so they can't get out. Oh, get in there. Come on. Yep, stay in there. Come on. I want at least 10. 10 would be nice. Get in there. Thank you. Thank you. Come on. 1. 1 out of 16. Alright, we got 1 there. 2 out of 16. Alright, let's do better here. Let's get 3. Come on. 1. 2. Whoa! We got a gang there. Oh, is that 4? 1, 2. Alright. Get our numbers up. That's what I like to see. We'll get rid of this too. Yep, I know. Nope, get in there. Yeah, okay. We're gonna have chickens everywhere. Okay. But I'm pretty sure we gotta figure out where I gotta put this button. After that, I think we're all good. So they're gonna lay their eggs, right? And this is gonna dispense the eggs, right? Right? That sounds right. What if we just get some eggs and we throw it in there? See where they dispense, right? Got chickens everywhere. We got this. We got this. Okay. Chickens everywhere. Okay, so you put a slab up there. Nope, 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 no, no, no. Stay. Oh, goodness. Thank you. Thank you for staying in there. Fall in there. Fall in there. Fall in there. Fall. Yes. Yes, it's working. I hear it. Now, we'll be smart about it this time. Alright, see? And now we got chickens in there. Yes, so it does work. Okay, you know what? It works. That's all that matters. And we'll deal with that at another time. Now we're going to test this. I feel like the button should go here. No. Okay, so the button should not go there. Yes, I realized I just punched out my hand. And okay. Why? You know what? If anything, I'll just smack you with my sword. It works. Calling it a win. And moving on. It's a win. And that's it. Okay, on to the next task. We're going to test this out right here. Alright, so now I want to set up a timer real quick. We're going to do a 5-minute test. We're going to do the test or start it once I flick the third lever over there. Come on. There we go. Oop, timer. Okay, starting. Go down to where we're going to smack our guys. Alright, so they're already coming. I want to clear the side. What do we got? Okay, that's my hopper. It's going to go there, which funnels down to here, which cooks everything. Yes, you saw us sleeping through the night. That is my SMP partner, Ivik Suisse, who is completely awesome. Now we're going to try to put all this aside so we don't get anything confused about what's what. So this is all stuff I currently have. So we're 1 minute into our timer. Just about a level 24. And this is all empty now, right? Nope, nope, nope. And that has some too. Okay. We want a fresh start so we know exactly what we're getting in 5 minutes. Now it's empty. They're still falling, I can hear them. Which is fine. Alright, now it's empty. If you got earphones on, just I'm going to lower your volume a bit. And go. And we were at level 23, and just like that, we're up 3 levels. We'll get rid of this. So we're going to cook it, or smelt it, I guess, in a bit. 2 minutes down. So we're going to take this out, because all it is going to clog up the system. It's still filter into. Nice. It works fantastically. Alright, so we don't necessarily care about the rotten flesh. If you really care about it, then you can keep track of that yourself, but I don't really care about it. Earphone warning again. Back up to 28. Get some gold there. And it's only 3 minutes in. And we're up 5 levels. Oh, there's still more. Oh yeah. This is what's helping me buy out Evik's shop. Because this is just giving me so much gold. We're going to get to 30 right now. So Let's see. Almost. Get rid of all this. In about 30 seconds, I'm going to go up there and turn it off. And then we'll finish the last 30 seconds smacking people. So we're definitely going to get level 30. There's no question about that. So we're going to go up 7 levels in 5 minutes. I'm just going to let you guys keep piling up. Alright, 30-second mark. We're going to go up, turn off the machines. So basically, here, you need 9 by 9 with your junk block on the end, dispensing water, and inside there is lava. That's why this keeps turning on and off. And 5, 4. That's my timer. So anyway, you got your dispenser here, and underneath you have 3 observers, and just some stone. There goes the wick. Goodbye. And let's see what our final total is here for our 5 minutes. And 30, so easily 7 levels in 5 minutes. Alright, let's get rid of this. Let everything filter. And then we'll get our total for gold. Make it sure. Swords. Get the rotten flesh. Rotten flesh. Because who cares about the rotten flesh, right? Unless you're going to sell it. Alright, so double checking again and again. All swords. Give me the gold. Alright, so nothing's filtering. So all of these are going to be 1 nuggets. I'm not going to figure that out. Plus those. Plus those. So, there you go. 5 minutes. We got 30 gold ingots. 1 extra nugget. Plus another 5, 10. All this. Not too shabby for 5 minutes. Plus, now we're at level 31. So yeah, 7 levels in 5 minutes. I am thinking about adding more of these. So all you gotta do, I did here, I just made the water tunnel. So as they fall out here, they just get shot over there. The same here. Water tunnel, they just get shot over there. It's a crazy, crazy good farm. You got any turtles? Nope. So yeah, I want to build my chicken farm's over here. So that's running while I'm doing that. I got chickens everywhere. So I got this chicken farm. And then over here, I kind of want to build it underneath here, and smack into that. So I have my iron farm running while I have my chicken farm going underneath here. So I'm always getting iron and chickens. So that's my plan. So all in all, I think we got a successful little video here. We didn't rebuild my house, but you know, it's alright. But we got lots and lots of chickens. And my cats. Anybody have any names for my cats? Please put them in the comments. and we'll probably end up naming them whatever you guys want. So do me a favor, make sure you like this video, comment on the video, and tell your friends to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And that's gonna be it. See you on the next one.